A Busy Day with Packing. Written and illustrated by Lily Gülbahar. It's a busy day. Daisy is playing with her toys alone. She is bored. She wants to play games with her family. Daisy wants to play with Lily. Lily is in her bedroom. Daisy says, "Let's play with our dolls." Lily says, "I'm sorry, Daisy. I'm busy. I'm packing my clothes." Daisy is bored, so she goes to her mother. Her mother is in the bathroom. She says, "Mommy, let's play hide and seek." Mom answers, "Sorry, Daisy, I am busy. I'm packing our towels." Daisy goes to her father. He is in the garage. Daisy says, "Daddy, read a book to me, please." Dad answers, "I'm sorry, Daisy. I'm busy. I'm packing our tent." Daisy says, "Everybody is busy. Lily is packing her clothes. Mommy is packing towels. You are packing the tent. I'm bored." Daisy is angry now. Nobody is playing with her. She goes to the bathroom and hides all toothbrushes. She goes to Lily's bedroom and hides her brush. She goes to the garage and hides Dad's flashlight. Lily says, "Mom, I can't find my brush." Dad says, "I can't find the flashlight." Mom says, "I can't find our toothbrushes. Where are they?" Daisy says, "I know." Mom asks, "Why did you hide them, Daisy?" Daisy answers, "You are busy. You don't play with me." Dad says, "We are busy because we are going to camp, Daisy. We will play there." Daisy cheers. "We are going to camp. Yay! I'm sorry, Mommy and Daddy." Lily's brush is behind the pillow. Daddy's flashlight is under the sofa. Our toothbrushes are in the vase. Lily says, "That pink brush is mine." Daisy says, "This blue brush is mine. This yellow brush is his. This red brush is hers." Let's go to camp.